Well, last week it was announced that we're actually in a recession. Okay, is it a technical recession? Just how bad is it? Hello, my name is Paul Carroll. I'm the CEO and founder of Avion Wealth, an elite wealth management firm here in Texas. There's a lot of different definitions of recession. The most technical one is 2 successive quarters with negative GDP. That's the technical definition that has been met. However, most definitions include some combination of the following: high interest rates and/or high inflation, along with a drop in GDP and a significant rise in unemployment. Okay, high interest rates, we haven't really run into those yet. Without a doubt, in the short term, we have high inflation. What we're hoping is that the Fed's on this, and this is a speed bump. To be determined, of course. Much more important, unemployment at the end of the last quarter was 3.6%. Now, in February 2020, we had historically low unemployment. It was 3.5%. So for most people, this is really a very sunny recession. Most people have a job. In fact, in addition to that, due to the largesse of the COVID pandemic, most people, especially at the lower part of the income scale, have more in savings than at any other previous recession in U.S. history. Savings levels are relatively high. The average recession lasts about 10 months. It could go as long as 18. So though we are, yes, in a technical recession, I sometimes ask myself, is this a media recession? Is your life in recession? Because most people, it's not. Even we've talked about inflation and again and again and again. There's so many components to it. I'm not going to reiterate the 2 or 3 blogs that I've already recorded on the topic. But notwithstanding inflation, 24/7 media coverage, for most people, we're not in a recession. This is certainly not a high growth environment, but the market really proved the rule that I'm very fond of. Up until the last interest rate hike, there was a little bit of a sell-off. As soon as the hike came in, there was a bit of a buy. The markets have actually been up the last month or so. The famous quote is, sell on the rumor, buy on the news. What we're seeing today is definitely a period of great uncertainty. I don't mean to minimize it, but it's not a devastating recession yet. I'm always available for your calls if you have any questions. We wish you the best of investing success. Thank you.